So what are we doing in order to recover quickly? And our decisions have been inspired by our commitments to the guiding principles on labor laws, human rights, and environment. And the first one is about putting people first and connecting with them, connecting, engaging with them. We are calling them and talking to them to find out how they are feeling. Some have fear, some feel lonely, and we also encourage them to talk to their families and friends, so that when you talk to people and when you engage with people more and more, they get to feel nice, they feel happy, and they have confidence that we are all working together to ensure that everything flows in the right direction. And those who are sick, we are ensuring that we believe that they are sick, and we give them sick off, and we ensure that they are paid. And number two is about emphasizing on our cleaning procedures. For now, it's no longer business as usual. Cleaning is going to be cleaning on another level, because we have to fight like wounded warriors, because we are fighting an invisible enemy with an invisible bullet, and we can die at any time. So we are ensuring that we continuous clean and clean with a difference. And number three is about the government directives. We have lockdowns right now. We have to keep on monitoring about the data given by the government on how the COVID virus is spreading to these regions, because so that we can position ourselves. We could be having people in those regions, or we could be cleaning those regions. And then we also have curfew. When it comes to curfew, we have ensured that people leave on time, and we have also created rotations, shifts. People can work on shift. And finally is about the public health directives. We have ensured that we are complying to the public health directives by giving masks, ensuring that people have water, people have soap, people have sanitizers, and people can we can continuously making them aware about the COVID, the deadly virus, in such a way that we can be able to control and save lives and live in an environment that is it's clean and healthy.